Hi everybody, this is Diana from SyS, and today we're going to make one of the easiest and fastest recipes you can make, and that's how to make a no-cook pizza sauce, which comes out delicious. And as always, the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below the video. To make the sauce, we're going to use whole tomatoes. These are canned whole tomatoes. And then with very clean hands, we're just going to crush them until we get the texture that we want. This is one of the easiest ways to do it, but you can also use a can of crushed tomatoes if you want. And now all we have to do is season it with some garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, basil, a little bit of sugar just to balance that acidity of the tomatoes. And then we season very well with salt and pepper. Make sure it's very well seasoned because there's nothing worse than eating a very bland pizza. We're gonna give it a stir, and that's how easy it is to make this delicious no-cook pizza sauce. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye, and buen provecho!